Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be speaking to you how I improved my English and how you can improve your English. So, I don't think I really need to discuss the importance of English in this globalizing world where everything is connected, interconnected, or I may say with each other, and each country is interconnected. You may want to get a job in foreign countries, and because of that English is a common linkage which would bind you with other countries people. So for that you must know how to speak English. It's not always about grammar, but it's more likely about how you're speaking it. So, first, I'll start up with the question, how did I improve my English? So, the story begins long, long ago when I was around 2 or 3 years. At that age, I mostly used to listen to a lot of English songs. Sorry, guys, I really have trouble managing my camera, so bear this with me. So where were we? Yeah. When I was 2 or 3 years old, I used to listen to a lot of English songs, and I not only used to listen to them, but I also tried singing them, even though I did not know how to speak my native language that properly. And because of that, my tongue started getting adopted to that in a certain way. And as I started growing up, and I started watching a lot of English cartoons like Lego Friends, Miraculous Ladybug, Lolly Rock, Star Darlings, Ever After High, Monster High. I used to listen to these cartoons as a kid because these were not dubbed in Hindi, right? So I had no choice but to listen to them in English. And because of them, I started learning more English slangs, and I started adopting to their sense of humor as well. And as I started growing even older, as I reached the age of 11 or 12, I started watching a lot of anime, and we have no option but to watch it either in English dub or in English sub, that is, English subtitles. And because of that, my English improved drastically. And as I grew even more older, I started participating in a lot of school activities which had a direct or indirect role of English. For example, I used to participate in speeches, I used to be the anchor, and I also participated in essay writing or in story writing, things like that. I also used to make my own comic books, which sound a bit funny or maybe absurd for you guys, but it did help me a lot. And moving towards the next part, how you can improve your English. See, starting late doesn't mean that you're so back, but it just means that you have to put a lot more efforts. Because if you're a kid, and as a kid, if you've started learning English, then the process would be a bit too easy, because kids have higher catching power and they can memorize things, they can adopt to the English language even with more ease. First thing I would suggest is just don't read an English book. Yes, it sounds a bit weird, but just listen to a lot of English songs, and don't only listen to them. Doesn't matter whether you're a good singer or not, but try to even sing English songs. A lot of us just listen to it or just catch up to the rhythm, but very few of us actually sing it with the same accent. So try to copy their accent, the singer's accent. And to improve your vocabulary, you must try to write a lot of things. For instance, I write diary, I make my own quotations. I am really into writing stories and all. If you guys would inculcate this habit in yourself, then your English, especially your vocabulary, would drastically improve. And third, and another important thing is, Never be hesitate. Never be See, I'm hesitating right now. Never hesitate to speak English in front of your friends, in front of your family. Try to speak English as much as possible. And once you start speaking English, then you can start working on your accent to make it sound more Americanized, or like try to speak in a British accent. Oh, for that, I'll make a separate video. Even though I can speak like that, still, never hesitate to make mistakes while speaking. Even like when I'm speaking English, I'm making a lot of errors, but if you'll be very confident, if your accent is pretty good, then people will barely notice any mistake in your sentence. So be confident. Confidence is the major key to improve your English. To improve your accent, watch a lot of series. In Netflix, I won't really recommend Netflix shows because they are, how I must say, they are not really good and not very decent. But watch decent shows which will help you in improving your accent, and accent really matters a lot. Your voice tone, your accent, it adds a lot. And if these things are really good, then people would hardly notice your grammar. So these are few things that I highly recommend you guys. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you found this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.